In a matter of minutes, I'm going to show you step-by-step healthy benefits of drinking warm water in the morning. Make sure you watch till the end. You may be used to drinking a cup of coffee or tea to wake you up in the morning. Some of you may opt for a glass of cool water to replenish you and get your morning started. These things may now be morning habits, however, it can be worth reconsidering how you start your morning because research shows that drinking warm water on an empty stomach offers the most health benefits. Physicians recommend drinking warm water in the morning, usually, with a polyphenol-rich lemon immersion, or with a tea shown to decrease free radical activity in the body. Stella Metsovas, clinical nutritionist and media health expert in food and nutrition sciences, told Medical Daily. The consumption of warm water increases the tightening of the intestines, which optimizes elimination. Unlike hot water, processed cold water is devoid of many essential minerals that could become very unfavorable to the digestive tract when consuming a meal. For cold water drinkers, Metsovas recommends refraining from drinking 20 minutes before eating, even if the source is natural spring water. While drinking warm water may not suit your taste buds, it may be beneficial to put the caffeine and tea aside for your health's sake. Here are 10 healthy benefits why you must drink warm water in the morning. Benefit number 1. Helps with weight loss on its own. Consuming hot water won't make you lose weight, but it does help the process. Nutritionist Kara Walsh recommends starting the morning with hot water and lemon to fire up your metabolism, which gives the body the ability to burn more calories throughout the day. Drinking hot water also clears out your intestines to prevent bloating in your body, thus getting rid of excess water weight you may be carrying, she adds. Benefit number 2. Better digestion. A very warm cup of water in the morning can help cleanse your body by flushing out toxins. Water and other liquids help break down the food in your stomach and keep the digestive system on track. Warm water will help break down these foods even faster, making them easier for you to digest. Drinking cold water during or after a meal can actually harden the oil in consumed foods and therefore create a fat deposit in the intestine. Adding ice to processed cold water will strip it of natural containing minerals, says Metsovas, as these minerals are essential to keeping the digestive tract healthy. Luckily, you can replace a glass of cold water with a warm one to aid digestion, especially after eating a meal. Benefit number 3. Eases constipation. At one point or another, many of us are plagued by this common stomach problem where we have little to no bowel movement. The strain felt during elimination, accompanied by bloating, is brought on by a lack of water in the body. Drinking very warm water in the morning on an empty stomach can help improve bowel movements and aid constipation while breaking down foods as they smoothly pass through the intestines. Stimulating the bowels will help return your body back to normal functioning. Benefit number 4. Easier on your teeth. Your teeth may thank you for switching from cold to warm water. According to Sonda Moldovan, MS, DDS, warm water is better for the teeth and restorations, and is more easily absorbed. Certain white filling materials contract in response to cold water, causing fillings to debond off the tooth, explains Moldovan. Again, make sure your water isn't too hot. Any extreme temperature on the teeth can be detrimental, so try to drink your water at room temperature to keep your pearly whites happy. Benefit number 5. Natural pain relief. While drinking cold water causes muscles to contract, drinking warm water increases blood flow to the tissues, allowing muscles to relax. This can help with all kinds of pain, says Dr. Petra, from joint aches to menstrual cramps. Drinking warm water before going to bed also has a soothing effect, which may help you fall asleep faster, and it will make you feel fuller, no midnight cravings, and more rejuvenated in the morning. Benefit number 6. Makes you friendlier. All health benefits aside, warm water could make you friendlier. A University of Colorado Boulder study found that participants who briefly held a hot cup of coffee versus iced judged others as having more generous and caring personalities. In a second part of the study, participants who held a hot therapeutic pad versus a cold one were more likely to choose a gift for a friend than a gift for themselves. So however you drink your warm water, make sure you hold onto the cup for as long as possible. Benefit number 7. It prevents premature aging. Nobody wants to age prematurely, however, the presence of toxins in the body can make aging faster a reality. When our body accumulates toxins, it becomes prone to illness and aging. Warm water can help cleanse the body from toxins. Furthermore, it can help repair skin cells, which can lead to an increase in the elasticity of your skin. Benefit number 8. It alleviates pain. A potent natural remedy for easing the pain from menstrual cramps is warm water. It relaxes stomach muscles and helps alleviate menstrual pain. Moreover, warm water is an effective remedy for all types of cramps as it improves capillary circulation and helps to relax the muscles in the body. Benefit number 9. It improves blood circulation. Accumulated deposits in the nervous system and fat deposits in the body are eliminated when you drink a glass of warm water. This process helps flush out the toxins that are present throughout the body, which, in turn, aids blood circulation. Warm water is also relaxing, helping the muscles loosen, eliminating poor circulation, and assisting blood flow. Benefit number 10. It induces sleep. When you sip warm water during meals, especially during dinner and before you go to bed, you will help your body relax and soothe your nerves. In turn, this can help induce sleep. It will also assist with stopping midnight cravings and lead to a feeling of rejuvenation in the morning. Conclusion. We have seen 10 surprising and amazing benefits that will happen to your body when you start drinking a glass of warm water in the morning. Start making a morning glass of warm water part of your routine and be sure to enjoy the revitalized feeling that you will experience.